Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image using the Canva app. So once you're inside the Canva app, guys, you want to go ahead and either upload an image of your choice. So you can tap on upload a picture that you've already uploaded. Or if you want to upload a new photo, you can click and upload at the top there. Select wherever you have it, whether it's your device or you have it from somewhere else, your drive, and just go ahead and upload the picture and select it. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to add something from the Canva app here. So I'm going to go ahead and click in photos and I'm going to find a photo. So let's scroll down and see if we find something here. Let's take this one picture here. So let's say I choose this. And in order to crop this image, guys, you see that once the image is selected, you have all the sides selected. So all you have to do is just basically move, is just simple click and drag the sides to basically crop the image. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through. So from the top, just simple click from the top and drag down, and you can see it start to crop from the sides. I'm going to go ahead and crop from the sides, and that's basically it. You crop the image till you're satisfied, and that's it. Now once you crop the image, you can always go ahead and resize it by click and drag one of the sides and just basically drag the other side as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and crop an image in Canva using the Canva app.